So I recently had a talk with my boyfriend Youbi about his first experience doing a singing meditation, and I'd really like to share this story with you because it was quite a great experience for him. If you like to do the same meditation that he did, then write "Sing and Relax" in the comments. I'm going to reach out and give you a link to a free video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Energy. I'm a vocal coach and I'm also creating singing meditations for people to help them relax by using the singing voices. And what you need to know about my boyfriend Youbi first is he's not a singer. He's a musician, but he's a drummer and a music producer, so he usually doesn't sing. And the first thing he told me was when he did the singing meditation, he was surprised that it was so simple for him to do. Like he got all the notes, he got all the melodies, it was very easy to follow, and he could just do it as a non-singer. And what also surprised him was that he felt quite active during the singing meditation. And what you need to know first is Yubi is quite an experienced meditation guy, so it's like his go-to habit when he's stressed. He's gone into a quiet room, he puts on a guided meditation to relax. He's a fan of Wim Hof, and he's also a fan of breathing technique meditations. And he told me the difference between the guided meditations, like the guided meditation with a voice guiding you through with soothing, calming music in the background, and a singing meditation was this. With the guided meditation, he felt like he was the passive part, the passive follower of what the voice told him to do. And in the singing meditation, he felt quite active, being the active part in the meditation. So this was quite surprising to him and gave him a good feeling too. And what also was important, which I really would like to share with you, is whenever he did the guided meditation with the guiding voice, he needed quite some time to be able to let go and really be relaxed. And this was because whenever the voice told him to let go of his thoughts, he felt quite irritated because he didn't know how. He felt like he was left alone with figuring out how to let go of his thoughts because they just kept coming up and he kept being distracted, and this caused a little stress in his mind just to trying to solve this mind chatter problem. And so he needed some time to really let go and really sink into the meditation and relax. But with the singing meditation, it was like he was relaxed from the beginning, like instantly the relaxation was there. And this was because he had just the simple task of humming or singing a simple melody. He just had the simple task to follow, and this made him feel relaxed. He didn't have to figure out all the time how to let go because he just let go by humming and singing. And the mind chatter was not there. It simply was not there because he just actively sang, actively hummed. He had this simple task to follow, and yeah. But what made me feel very happy was when he told me how he felt afterwards. So he said he was feeling such a deep joy and happiness afterwards. He could not explain why. And he felt so deeply relaxed. He never felt that happy and joyful and relaxed after a guided meditation with just a simple voice guiding through. And he just could not explain why, but yeah, I see this all the time in my students, but I was very happy to hear that. So yeah, if you would like to try the singing meditation that he did, Let me know in the comments, right? Sing and relax, and I'm going to send you a link so you too can get deeply relaxed and very happy after just 10 minutes of a singing meditation. And like Youbi, who is a non-singer, you don't need prior singing experience. You just can do it like him. I'm wishing you a nice day. Bye.